I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have power and the remote in hand. Now act. Remove the battery cover and inspect the housing closely for a labeled C/F slide or a tiny recessed button near the batteries. Once found, flip the switch to degrees C. This directly changes the display. If you don't see a switch, make note of the Temp Plus and Temp buttons and the Mode or Power buttons because you'll use a button combination next. Make sure the remote faces you and the display is visible. Once the switch is absent, use a button combo to toggle units. Press and hold the temperature up and temperature down buttons together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The remote often uses that pair as a shortcut. If nothing happens, try holding Temp Plus and Mode or Temp and Mode for the same interval. Watch the small display or LED. When you see degrees F, flip to degrees C, the change is made. If the first combo fails, try the alternate combo immediately and keep your hold steady. Complete the change by replacing the battery cover and testing. Set a temperature and confirm the display reads degrees C. Once done, make sure the AC responds to the new setpoint units. If the remote still shows degrees F, reset it by removing batteries, pressing any button for 10 seconds to drain residual charge, then reinstall batteries and repeat the button combo. If that fails, consult the air conditioner manual or use the manufacturer's replacement remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.